Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Elko. I am standing in Brook back street. As you can see, the whole place has been flooded by the heavy downpour of rain. I am standing in the middle of the street. Vehicles are unable to pass. Even people who are unable to pass because of the water. As you can see, places around here has been filled with water. People who are living around this area too are going, they are undergoing a lot of strain. As you can see, people up there, the driver too is unable to pass through the road because of water. I don't think how people around here are living because of the too much water, too much flooding. Even the streets also has been destroyed by water. The drainages, the gutter also has been filled with so much water. That is why the water is passing through the street. As you can see, vehicle drivers are also going turning back with their vehicle. People are unable to see. So please, as you can see. So madam, you in Apiana, how you feel body water? How you think say the water here run? Please guys out there, please don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe. Thank you.